11 years since the Marikana Massacre, yet no one has stood before the court for the death of the 34 mine workers. The Socio-Economic Rights Institute finds it shocking that the NPA has not decided to bring any legal action despite having received dockets from the IPID years ago.
The NPA does not take the plight of the family seriously. IPID has confirmed to us that the dockets have been handed over to the NPA. The NPA understands that we're now 11 years in, and that every day that passes undermines the possibility of justice for the family. Even the amount of time that will be needed once the prosecution starts means that we could still be here at the 20th anniversary of the massacre.
The NPA has blamed this on its human resources.
In relation to the Marikana matter involving the 34 miners who died on 16 August 2012, a voluminous docket, which was initially dealt with at the NPA National Office, was returned to the Northwest Division for decision mid-2022. At the time, the division had a challenge of unfilled vacancies, which resulted in the slow progress of studying the docket. That has since been resolved by the filling of posts in 2023, and a team of senior state advocates led by Deputy Director of Public Prosecutions has been assembled to study the massive docket in consultation with IPID to fast-track the finalization of reaching a decision on the direction that is to be taken.
Meanwhile, mine workers who were seriously injured following the shooting and hundreds arrested filed a 1 billion rand lawsuit. Their attorneys say 90% of the claims have been processed. The law firm did not want to disclose the amount received by the clients.
We represent 279 arrested mine workers. We also represent 14 of the 51 mine workers that were injured. 90% of the arrested mine workers have been compensated for unlawful arrest and detention. Of the 14 that were injured, we have 10 matters settled. We are looking at having cases brought back to court by the end of this year to finalize the case of the 4. We are seeking compensation both from government as well as from President Cyril Ramaphosa in his special capacity, as well as from lawmen.
Marikana Massacre and Associates were attorneys of record for 15 clients who sustained bodily injuries as a result of the shooting at Marikana in August of 2012. We confirm that the claims were instituted against the South African Police Services in respect of the 15 claimants that were represented by our firm, and that the matters were finalized in court and compensation has been paid in respect of the 15 claimants represented by Marikana Massacre and Associates.
The plaintiffs are also demanding an apology from President Cyril Ramaphosa.
90% of the claims have been settled by government, but the president has brought technical reasons why he's not supposed to be responsible for compensating our clients. So, fortunately for us, the court has dismissed those technical defenses, and the court would like him to come through and testify as to why he's not supposed to be personally liable for the compensation of our clients and to give an apology. So we're looking at having a date very soon when the court will say, let's have a trial, and Mr. Ramaphosa together with lawmen must be ordered to make an apology unconditionally and to make the compensations that we claim.
The SABC News' effort to solicit the legal position of President Cyril Ramaphosa were unsuccessful. Tebogo Phakedi, SABC News, Mahikeng.